Beloved students, how are we? We're welcome to class this evening again. Welcome to class. Welcome to class. Welcome to class. All right. Today we want to learn what we call RICO. Oh, you may say RICO. RICO. Animation videos. RICO. Animation videos. So, without wasting much of time, I remain Coach Joseph Akolo. All right, let's go now. Popularly known as Coach Akolo. So let's go. Let's dive into it. Let's dive into the classes. All right. Like I used to say, before you learn or you do any of these things, you must have downloaded all your image that you want to produce the video with. You need to. You have to. It is a must. Is that okay? So like here now, I downloaded some background image. You can see it. Is that okay? I downloaded these are background images that we shall be using in the RICO tutorials. So like the first app you will need to download for this, in some quarters you pay for every app. Is that okay? But for this I will consider you. You will not pay. The app will be free. I will fling you up, or I will link you up to the app. So let's go. Now the first thing you need to download is go to your Play Store, Google Play Store. Get in there. Is that okay? You will see an app called Flipper Cap, or you can say Flipper Clip. This is the app. Flipper Clip. Is that okay? This is the app. Why mine open directly is because I have already started something with it. Is that okay? Maybe in the next class I will show you how you can install and then set up your own page. Is that okay? So as usual, you can sign in with your Google directly, or sign in with your email and the password. Is that okay? So, but for this class, I want us to go direct. Is that okay? I want us to go directly. Now, there are many things that are involved in this app. Many things. So, number one is your home. That's the first page that we always display in every app. Is that okay? It's an interface that you always meet before having access into other tools in a video. So you can see Discover too. This one is strictly online. You can project it. You want to use it. You want your data, and then you will click. They will show you some things you will need to learn and then add up. Is that okay? So you will see this plus sign. You see watch. You see search. So, but for this class, we want to create our own video animation. Is that okay? We want to create our own video animation. So let's get in. You press the plus. Is that okay? You press the plus. Now the first thing that will show you is project name. Then when you come down, I've already set mine is on a standard YouTube. When you click, you can see YouTube. The highest is 10:80. 10:80. That's the highest and the quality you can use. Is that okay? Then you choose your frame. You choose 12. Leave it at 12. Is that okay? Leave it at 12. Then you go back. You name now. Now what do I tag now? Okay, let me say let's say a song. Or let's say a new song. Is that okay? A new song. Then you can see the project will automatically highlight itself to know that you fill the first page. Then you create. When you create now, it will take you now into the main page now, where you need to set up a lot of things. Now, check down. You are going to see a page and then it's written 1. See layers, right? Look at audio. Look at undo, redo. That's if you do anything. Audio. That's where you need to add voicing to what you are doing. Undo is when you do something and you don't like, you change. Redo is when you want to take it back to the previous. Copy now, as usual, you can copy paste. Then you have copy, you have paste, you have layers. Now you will create layers for every video. Then the layers now will not display and animate. I don't know how many of you are used to CapCut and others. In fact, if you are used to CapCut, that's when you understand these things very well. So even here we have overlay. Is that okay? We have layer, we have overlay. All of them are here. But you see, you will need to listen, you need to check, you need to watch. So you click your layer. When you click your layer, you can see them. So when you click the plus sign, it will add layer. So let's add like 3 layers. Is that okay for now? Then you will click the first one. When you click the first one, rename it. rename it, let's say background. That's where you want the background to be. Then go to the second one now, click it, rename it, say character. You know, in video production, we use character, we don't use character 1. Then this one, let's say character 2. Is that okay? Character 2. Now, please be patient. In learning these things, we go gradually. We go very, very gradually. It's not about how fast. If you go too fast, you'll be confused because as we grow, the pages are complicating. Is that okay? So, all right. Now, click your background. Touch your background. Is that okay? When you touch your background, go up. Up here, there is an 3 dot. Look at it. Parallel, not horizontal. Parallel. 3 dot up. Click it. When you click it, it will show you these things: project setting, frame viewer, onion, grid, magic cord. Then, but for this one, I want to add image. So you click add image. It will take you to your gallery. That's why I said download all you'll be needing for the program, for the video first. Is that okay? Now, I've downloaded a few already. So these are things you will do now. So you will click. Let me use this background for now. What should I use this building? Okay, let me use this background now. Let me use this background for building. So you will click. Did you see now? Now you layer 1 now. As choosing that you've chosen a background, you can decide to zoom the background in. You can decide to zoom it out. Is that okay? It all depends on what you want. Is that okay? So now you go back to layer again. Click layer 2. Have you seen now? Layer 1 background. Our background is already there now. Then touch character 1. Then go back to those 3 dots. Click it. Add image. Is that okay? You click it, you add image. Now let me pick this image. These are the image I want to use. Pick this. Character 1. Character 2. So click it. Add image. Let me just use this image. Good. Is that okay? Go back to layer. Layer 2. Go and add image. Add image. Let me pick this image now. Now can you see? Good. Now this is where we are, right? That's very, very good. I love this. This is where we are. Is that okay? Now, there are other few things you will do from here to make your image talk, to make your animation speak. Is that okay? But before doing that, you will need to add sound. So if, for instance, now you don't have a sound and you want to record, or let's say you have a sound. Let's say for now you have a sound you want to add, you click this plus. Is that okay? You can see video make, voice maker, audio library. You see audio records. So when you click here, you see, yeah, you see, okay. So you stop, you add timeline. Did you see now? Click. So this is Chabod intimate. Have you seen it now? Very clear. So go back. You can see 2, you can see 3. Now just go out first. So when you add your video like this, so this is Chabod. So this is Chabod intimacy RICO. Now why is showing free? Because I do not move the audio. I do not. I will adjust the audio to this place. Is that okay? So for now, let's just be here for now. We'll stop here, practice this, and stop at this place. Now, ask me how are you going to get those images and whatever. I will show you. Just practice this for now.